A misfire at idle can feel like your car is trying to shake itself apart, or at least like it's begrudgingly waking up from a deep slumber. It's a jarring experience that could mean several things. Let's get under the hood and understand the suspects behind this automotive mystery. Fuel system issues. A healthy fuel-air mix is like a balanced diet for your car's engine. Too much or too little of either, and you're bound to run into trouble. Fuel injectors that are dirty or malfunctioning severely compromise this balance. They could dribble fuel, or worse, act like a clogged artery and not deliver fuel at all. Your fuel filter is also a contender. If it's clogged, it's like trying to breathe through a straw. Not much is going to get through. Ignition system woes. Let's talk about spark plugs. These guys are the unsung heroes, igniting the fuel-air mix that powers your ride. Over time, though, they can wear out or get fouled. When that happens, the spark either gets weak or goes missing entirely, leading to a misfire. Spark plug wires, or coil packs depending on your setup, are also in the lineup. These electrical conduits can wear out or break, leading to a game of hit or miss with the spark delivery. And if the spark doesn't make it, neither does your engine's performance, especially at idle. Air intake system. Your engine breathes in air, and if there's a problem with the air intake system, it's like putting a hand over your mouth and nose. Vacuum leaks are notorious for this. They sneak extra air into the engine that hasn't been accounted for by your car's computer, throwing off that precious fuel-air mix. The mass airflow (MAF) sensor also plays a role in measuring incoming air, so your car can adjust fuel delivery. If it's dirty or failing, it can misreport, leading to misfires due to an improper air-fuel mixture. Compression issues. At the heart of your engine, cylinders compress fuel and air together, creating the explosion that powers your car. If this compression isn't up to snuff due to a leaking head gasket, cracked cylinder head, or worn piston rings, then the explosion is more of a dud. It's like trying to clap with one hand. You're not going to get the result you're looking for. Emission systems. Lastly, let's not forget about the emission systems, such as the EGR, exhaust gas recirculation valve. It recycles some of the exhaust gases back into the combustion chamber to help lower emissions. However, if it's stuck open or clogged, it can mess with the combustion process enough to cause a misfire. Living in Portland, Oregon, where the weather can be a bit damp, it's worth noting that moisture can also play havoc with your ignition system. A wet distributor cap, for example, is like trying to start a campfire with damp wood. It's just not going to happen smoothly. At the end of the day, diagnosing a misfire at idle requires a bit of detective work. Each of these suspects could be the culprit, or it could be a combination of a few. Regular maintenance is key. It's like keeping a keen eye on all the characters in a very intricate play, ensuring each is performing their role correctly.